Hey there, everybody. I so hope you're good. I just put some packs of fabric and paper collage stickers in the Etsy store. So they're all over there now. These are for the 4 that I put in the shop. If you guys remember when we were making these, they are so much fun to make. We're just taking paper and fabric and layering it on top of a foam sticker. You know, these foam stickers that you can buy at Dollar Tree or Dollar General or wherever. Judy gave me some of these to repurpose. Now that one's a football. Let's see what this one is. I don't know what that one is. But you can see the shapes. This is a basketball. And I thought it would be fun to just package some of these up and put them in the Etsy store. They are really sweet additions to, they make great stocking stuffers, and they would make really awesome gifts for people who do journaling or scrapbooking or anything like that. This makes just the greatest focal point for a scrapbook page. So I wanted to just kind of showcase these right quick. This one is Begin. You'll see what is in these packages in the listing. So just click on the listing and you'll be able to see all of the stuff in here, all the pretties. This one's called Beautiful. This one is Delightful. And this one is Friendship. So they're packaged so nicely that you could give them as gifts, like I said, or stocking stuffers. They've got a very pretty polished look about them, if I do say so myself. All right, guys, I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for your support and your kindness over at Etsy. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.